Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our new channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notification sound is not working. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if your notification sound on WhatsApp is not working, then the first thing we're going to do here is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. This will pop up, so choose the last option, Settings. Here, a list of options will appear, so tap on Notifications. And make sure that Conversation Tones is not toggled off. Because if it's turned off, then you can't hear WhatsApp notification. So always make sure to turn it on. Another thing that you can do to fix that problem, go back. And for example, if you don't get notification sound from a specific person, then make sure you haven't muted his chat. So as you see here, we got this mute icon, which means I've muted notification for this chat. Now to unmute it, then make a long press on it and tap on this icon. And like that, I've unmuted notifications. So this are the two main reasons why you can't hear notification sounds on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. See ya!